Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set Microsoft Office programs like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as the default applications in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left side, you want to select apps. And now on the right side, you want to go and select default apps. And the set defaults for applications, go ahead and type in Word and go ahead and just select that. Again, assuming this is what you want for the default type. And we can do the same for Excel and PowerPoint files. Just go ahead and select the default extension type. And then you would select, if you have different Word applications on your computer, just would select Word instead, and that would set Word as the default. And you just would go down the list and just do that for all of the items in here. And if you go and type in Excel, we open up Excel, same deal. You just would click on, for example, a CSV file type, very common extension. And you would just go ahead and just set that as default. Again, it just would say Excel. It's pretty identifiable logo here. I believe this is for Office 2021's logo. So again, pretty straightforward process on that. And again, PowerPoint and Access and the other Office applications should all be similar. Pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.